Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be sanding and polyurethaning floors in the house that I'm renovating. Let me give you a quick glance at those floors. They look like this. This area here is the worst part in the whole house. Most of all the floors look about like this area right here where there's nothing really going on other than worn out finish. The machine that I'll be using, I've rented. It costs $40 a day to rent it. It's just a vibrating sander. I'm not looking to sand down any thickness off the wood. I just want to kind of mainly clean them up and then put new polyurethane down for the purpose of protecting the floors. I'll be renting the house, so I just don't want anybody to do any damage to the floors caused by any kind of moisture. So I'm just using Minwax super fast drying polyurethane for floors, professional formula in semi-gloss. It says you can recoat it in 4 hours. That's what tricked me into paying more for this. It was $90 for this 2.5 gallon pail, and I got 2 of them. I'll be using lamb's wool applicator. Looks like that. Finish floors and large projects faster. So it doesn't even say lamb's wool applicator on there, but that's what it is. Got a pan if I need one. It comes with, this sander uses sanding screens. They look like big drywall sanding pads. I got 80 grit, 120 grit, and then some pads for buffing the finish in between the coats. Give you a quick tour of the floors. Again, this area here you can see is the roughest area, so I'll be attacking that with the 80 grit. But for the most part, like in here, I probably just 120 grit this floor and just kind of scuff it up, get it ready for the new coat of finish. I'll try to be steady. I know the camera can look a little crazy if I move around too fast. But really the floors in here are in pretty good condition. There's some staining over there in that glare area. Used to be a washer and a dryer set up over there. And then this bedroom here. And that's it. So it's not a whole lot of floors. The house is 1,200 square feet. The bathroom is linoleum. The kitchen, the dining room area is linoleum. So it's just the living room is the big room. The bedroom is relatively small, and there is the hallway. So first step, I'm going to vacuum the floors, then I'm going to sand them. I may cut in around in some areas that are a little difficult with an orbital sander by hand, hooked up to the vacuum cleaner. Then I will cut in around the edges with a brush with the polyurethane, then apply it with a lamb's wool applicator, come back and buff that coat, the first coat, and I'm thinking it'll be 2 coats of polyurethane. Let me get started and find out. First coat of polyurethane is dry enough to walk on. And I think it's all looking pretty good, especially for that first coat after the initial sanding. You got a little bit of the dark spots showing up here and there, but I don't think they're that bad at all. So the next step is going to be a scuff up on this. That red pad is the one that goes between the sander and the abrasive, and the abrasive in this situation is that material you see there. It's maroon. It's like a Scotch-Brite pad in a certain grit. I don't even know what grit it is. I'm going to guess it's somewhere around 220. But that's the grit, so I'm just going to run that around the same as the sander. The sanding screen, just get a scuff on this, vacuum the floor, and put down the final coat. Since this is just sort of applying finish on an old finish, not down to bare wood. So 2 coats will do. Bare wood, I would do 3. Thank you all for watching to the end of the video. If you'd like to support the channel, click on the Amazon link below and do your normal shopping. I'll get a small percentage of the sales that occur. You can also check out my ebook. The link is below as well. That is How I Buy Cheap Houses, a guide to exactly how I go about buying them. I'm also looking for ways to improve my videos, so if you don't mind and have an opinion, please share them below in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.